Ever looked at your bank account after a shopping spree and thought, man, I wish I could get a slice of that back? Welcome to the club. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those purchases into cold, hard cash? That's where Koho comes in. Now, you might be wondering, Koho? Cashback? What's the deal? Let's break it down. Imagine your money as a superhero. It's out there, fighting crime, making purchases. But wouldn't it be cool if it could also come back with a little something extra? That's exactly what Koho does. It's like having a secret agent working for you, earning you cash back on every dollar you spend. But how does this magic happen? Let's dive in. How Koho Cashback works. At its core, Koho is a spending account. But it's not just any spending account. It's a cashback spending account. When you link your Koho card to your favorite stores, online or offline, you start earning cashback on your purchases. It's like having a personal shopper who gets you a discount every time you shop. Now, you might be thinking, it's too good to be true. Well, it's not. Koho partners with thousands of retailers to offer cashback rewards. From groceries to gadgets, from dining out to online shopping, there's a good chance you can earn cashback on something you buy every day. Cashback categories. Koho offers different cashback categories to maximize your earnings. There are general cashback rates for everyday spending, but the real magic happens with specific categories. Think about your spending habits. Do you eat out a lot? Love online shopping? Or maybe you're a frequent traveler. Koho has categories to match your lifestyle. For instance, there might be a boosted cashback rate for restaurants or increased rewards for online shopping. By focusing your spending within these categories, you can supercharge your cashback earnings. How to maximize your cashback. So, how do you make the most of Koho Cashback? It's all about strategy. Choose the right card. Koho offers different cards with varying features and cashback rates. Pick the one that aligns with your spending habits. Utilize cashback categories, pay attention to the boosted cashback categories, and plan your spending accordingly. Activate offers. Koho often has limited time offers. Activate them to earn extra cashback on specific purchases. Track your spending. Keep an eye on your spending and cashback earnings to optimize your strategy. Where does the cashback go? You might be wondering, where does the cashback actually go? Good question. The cashback you earn accumulates in your Koho account. You can then choose to save it, let it grow, and watch your cashback balance increase over time. Transfer it, move your cashback to your linked bank account for immediate use. Spend it, use your Koho card to spend your cashback, essentially getting money back to spend more money. Koho Beyond Cashback. But wait, there's more. Koho is not just about cashback. It also offers additional features to help you manage your money. You can set savings goals, track your spending, and even build credit. It's like having a personal finance assistant right at your fingertips. Conclusion. Koho is more than just a spending account. It's a tool to help you get more out of your money. By understanding how cashback works and implementing smart strategies, you can turn your everyday spending into extra cash. So, why not give it a try? Sign up for Koho, start earning cashback, and watch your money grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.